through lo Storian Blue Island where you been got sometimes play you talk around lo kata ting motu lo documentary where me come out lo how onar la villages around lo Evate especially kata lo Narasite motu all communities around lo Eretap how all atap with them all changes where me stop all live la farming techniques where me start. I think say mi kutumas mi want something where mi mas karen mi kami inside pagan lo community lo help them life lo all people inside lo community for mi save development bla mi kerap mi mas abena inside lo crown. So also my area secretary mo to president lead inside lo this community Mr. Confirm mo talamat semigaton small place bla locate them lo project mi save kerap lem small place mi blo mi save all people save come together all save capture mo mi one place blo mi give him out awareness igulo larla people lo all new la farming techniques lo help them all katalem mo tu mi want something we mi stop ask them strong support lo katalo agriculture mo tu lo climate change blo save coming to blo save assisting all people inside the community lo through the workshop mo awareness lo save give him out information igulo kita lo help him kata lo time when Mr. Kam
mi lo workshop ya sem emilane mi fala se yumi mas waktu kita yumi mas mekem lo kautem kut crown blo yumi sabe planem kakai blo yumi blo helpem life blo yumi mo all pingini blo yumi lo future wo mbay mi kam plante mi play salam crown bel small crown wo mi play kat mi play say make use lem lo wonem wo mi play bin look lo kata lo sample kata lo andap lo teuma fil limegem small crown be hem in a waste mi play say doing something hem planem all plan be mi play hem